Alright, folks. Today I would like to talk about random people asking you if you have Cash App, and also show some footage of it too. So basically, a few times I've had random like tweaker looking people walk up to me and ask if I have Cash App, and I just said no and walked away. And I figured it might be some kind of scam, so I looked it up, and basically what I discovered is at best it's a more modern form of panhandling, but at worst it could be a dangerous scam. Like, for example, they could try to send you money from a stolen card or get your information to scam you. Then I saw a video where some dude waiting outside of like a Walmart or whatever was panhandling, and then he asked the lady if she would subscribe to his YouTube, so she handed him his phone, and he got into her Cash App and donated himself like $300 or something. And then there was some body cam footage, like a police video, of this woman who worked at the cell phone store, took an old lady's phone and donated to her own Cash App. Sometimes they send you a message on the phone, but what I'm specifically talking about is when random strangers come up to you on the street and ask if you have a Cash App. So the best thing to do is just say no and walk away. If you want to help like poor people, you should donate food to the church or like volunteer at a shelter or something. And so, without further ado, here's some footage of random strangers asking if I have Cash App.
Thank you.
What can I do for you?
Hi. Thank you for stopping. Appreciate it. You don't happen to have Cash App?
Cash App?
Yeah, my daughter's trying to send me money so I get food right now, and I have no way of receiving it.
Oh no. Sorry. Yeah, I don't even know how to use that kind of stuff. Yeah, sorry.
You don't happen to have Cash App? You don't happen to have Cash App?
You have Cash App by any chance, Doug? You have Cash App by any chance, Doug? You have Cash App by any chance, Doug?
Alright, there you have it. If you like this content, make sure to thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment. Cheers.